This is Jane, and this is Jack. Jane and Jack are best friends. They go for regular walks in the park, and sometimes Jane even sneaks Jack into the movies. Naughty, right? But it's not always sunshine and roses. Sometimes Jane's boss asks her to visit branches in other cities, which means she will be away from home a few days. Jane dreads the thought of leaving Jack with someone she does not completely trust. Will they take care of his every need? Will they just put him in a kennel with lots of other dogs and forget about him? Introducing Petsodia, a unique platform that matches owners with the perfect pet sitter in their own area. Just visit our website to easily browse host profiles, reviews, and prices. After you've found your perfect sitter, a message will be sent to them and they can accept or decline your offer. You can then discuss all the details about your needs and make arrangements. All payments for services will be placed in escrow and only paid to the sitter after you return and collect your fluffy bundle of joy. It is safe and totally secure. After the job is closed, you will have a chance to give a review of your service, and in return, the host can also review you. Petsodia is also a great opportunity for pet lovers to earn an extra income. Just register as a pet sitter and get paid while doing what you enjoy. It has truly never been easier to get the perfect sitter to take care of your pet when you can't. Petsodia, sharing love through pet sitting.